Hello everyone, so we'll be working on 6-26. The Troy store of Henderson Mart, a chain of small neighborhood convenience stores, has a Kaizen approach to budgeting monthly activity costs for each month of 2015. Henderson Mart has 3 product categories: soft drinks, fresh snacks, and packaged food. The following table shows the 4 activities that consume indirect resources at the Troy store, the cost drivers and the rates, and the cost driver amount budgeted to be consumed by each activity in January 2015. Each successive month, the budgeted cost driver rate decreases by 0.4% relative to the preceding month. So for example, February's budgeted cost driver rate is 0.996 times January's budgeted cost driver rate, and March's budgeted cost driver rate is 0.996 times the budgeted February rate. Henderson Mart assumes that the budgeted amount of cost driver usage remains the same for each month. So today we're going to be looking what the total budget cost for each activity and the total budgeted indirect cost for March of 2015 is. So in order to do that, we have to calculate the budgeted cost driver rates for February, then calculate March onto Excel to show you guys. Okay guys, so here is the Excel sheet. And this is the data table that I had copied from the homework. So I'm just going to show you guys what I meant. So for January's order number is $88, and then we multiply that by 0.996, and then we get 87.64800. And so as you guys can see, we just do the same thing for delivering, self-stocking, and customer support. And these are the numbers that we get. Now let me go ahead and put it onto the homework to show you guys. Now, it is also very important to make sure that it goes to 5 decimals, because that is what it says. Round your answers to 5 decimals. Now, we have to look for March's budgeted cost driver rate. So in order to do that, we're going to have to multiply February's cost driver rate by 0.996. So here we go. So this is February's cost driver rate, and this is what we're going to multiply it by 0.996. So for February's ordering, 87.648 multiplied by 0.996, we get 87.2974. And then we do the same thing for delivering, self-stocking, and customer support. Now let me go ahead and put that onto the box. Now let's hope everything is correct. We're going to check our answer right now. And as you can see, it is excellent. Alright, so now we need to calculate the total budgeted costs for each activity and the total budgeted indirect costs for March. And we also need to round our answers to the nearest whole number. So what that means is, in order to find ordering soft drinks for March, we would have to use March's budgeted cost driver for ordering, and we're going to multiply that by the number of soft drinks. And we're going to be doing the same thing for fresh snacks and packaged food. Now to find for delivery, we would use March's deliveries budgeted cost driver rate, which is 84.32136, And we multiply that by 12, 8, 65, and 23. Now I have put it on Excel to show you guys the answers. Let me just go ahead and put it onto there. Now to get our total, we just add vertically and horizontally. Now let's see if it is correct or not. And it says nice work. Now for requirement 2, it asks what are the benefits of using Kaizen approach to budgeting? What are the limitations of this approach and how might Henderson Mart management overcome them? So for A, it asks, it will show unfavorable variances for managers whose activities do not meet the required monthly cost reductions. This likely will put more pressure on managers to creatively seek out cost reduction. This is going to be a benefit. Now for B, it asks, it assures small incremental improvements each month. It is possible that some cost improvements arise from large discontinuous changes. This is going to be a limitation for the approach. And for C, the company takes into consideration employee suggestions. They believe that employees who actually do the job, whether in manufacturing, sales, or distribution, have the best information and knowledge of how the job can be done better. This is going to be a benefit. Now let's see if it is correct or not. Good job. Okay, so for any limitations selected above, determine how Henderson Mart management might overcome them. Let's see what the options going to be are. So we only have one limitation, and it says it assures small incremental improvements each month. It is possible that some cost improvements arise from large discontinued changes. Now this one goes with B because Henderson Mart management need to highlight the importance of seeking large discontinued improvements as well as small incremental ones. By doing so, this will help the company to become better. Let's see if it is correct. And that is how you do 6-26.